Running a modern shop floor shouldn't feel chaotic. Yet many manufacturing teams still rely on disconnected spreadsheets, outdated systems, and manual reporting. Information is scattered, visibility is limited, and small issues turn into costly delays. When teams can't see what's happening in real time, productivity drops, mistakes increase, and continuous improvement slows down. Meet Thrive, a scalable platform designed to bring structure, clarity, and control to your shop floor operations. Thrive centralizes your critical data and workflows into one easy-to-use system. From maintenance and quality to safety, projects, and continuous improvement, everything lives in one connected platform. No more chasing updates and no more working in silos. Simple for operators, powerful for leaders, so you can run your floor in real time. With Thrive, your data becomes visible and actionable. Teams collaborate better, problems are identified faster, and decisions are backed by real-time information, measurable performance improvements across the shop floor. Getting started is simple. Schedule a demo, explore Thrive with LeanTech's experts, and tailor the platform to fit your operations. Thrive puts control back in the hands of your operations team while reducing the workload on IT. Join more than 15,000 users already improving their shop floor operations with Thrive. Power and scale your shop floor with Thrive by LeanTech. www.leantech.com